how to set your birthday on Telegram. So step 1, open your Telegram. Step 2, click on the 3 dot right here. Step 3, click on settings. After you have opened settings, step 4, click on bio. Step 5, as you can see, here is date of birth right here. You can click on add and then choose your birthday and set your birthday of your choice. And you can also change your settings. Here it says only your contacts can see your birthday. You can change it to everybody, nobody, or add exceptions. So there's that. And that's how you can easily change your or set your birthday on Telegram. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing and liking the video.